Okay. As a matter of fact, I would like to quickly share something powerful with you, which I'm going to call how to invest in real estate. So I call it how to invest in real estate. You don't necessarily need to have $1 million or a millionaire in the bank before you can invest in real estate. And the reason why you need to invest in real estate is that real estate is something that normally appreciates. It is an asset that never liquidates, as one of my good friend and mentor normally called it. He used to say that real estate is an asset that never is a bank that never liquidates. So if you invest in real estate, you will surely enjoy a highest return on investment, because whatever you invested in today, you surely appreciate. And it's far better. It's far better than putting your money in the bank. It's far better than buying liabilities. It's far better than wasting your money in the club. Far better than wasting your money to carry prostitutes or wasting your money unnecessarily. So this is something that will actually give you financial independence. If you have been looking for a way to achieve financial independence, it is through investing in real estate. It is through investing in buying properties. It is through investing in buying assets. Because whatever you invested in real estate today, assuming you buy a land in Lekki, don't let me even mention Lekki now. Assuming you buy a land in Lekki 5-10 years ago, do you know how much money you'll be selling it now? You can be selling it for 15 million, 20 million, for 50 million, 100 million. At that time, you may even buy the asset for like say 1 million or 2 million or 3 million, because there's someone that bought a land in Lekki like 2013 for just 4 million. But as I'm talking to you now, the land has appreciated to 18 million. So that is to tell you how assets normally appreciate. So you don't need to waste time. There are some real estate companies that will even give you an opportunity to pay for the assets you purchase in instrumental. So you can do 6 months installments, you can do 12-month installments. And the beauty part of it is that once you commit yourself in something good like real estate investing, it will give you an opportunity to work hard, to strive, because you know that definitely something, you are actually chasing something. Because if you are not chasing something, definitely something is chasing you. So don't wait, because real estate is a very big industry that can turn you to a multi-millionaire, a multi-billionaire. There are a lot of people, most of all these rich people, most of all these billionaires that you see, they made most of their money through real estate. You can imagine having assets, having a rental apartments, building hostels, buying acres of land, hectares of land. So before you know, you discover that, hey, stop it. So you discover that you have been able to acquire some valuable assets for yourself that will help you to achieve high return on investment. So you can imagine something that you buy for 1 million today, in the next 3, 4, 5 years suddenly rise up to 15 million. So that is how, especially when you buy those assets in strategic places that where assets appreciate very fast. So that's why I'm calling on you to ensure you invest in real estate, buy assets, buy properties. Don't keep your money in cash, because all cash go down to zero, because your cash is not going to appreciate. Cash normally depreciates, because you have seen a lot of inflations. You can see the problem most of the currencies in the world are facing. You can see the global COVID-19 pandemic, which has caused many people to lose their job. A lot of companies are collapsing. But despite the fact that all this economic situation, the real estate keep appreciating. The money invested in land banking keep appreciating, keep yielding huge return on investment. So that is why you also need to do everything possible to make sure you start investing in real estate. Please don't allow this opportunity to pass you. Don't let this opportunity, don't miss this opportunity, because the real estate industry is very big, is very, very massive. You can see a lot of people investing in property, in property development, people investing in land, acquisition of land, acquisition of properties. So these are some of the things that you can use to invest your money, not keeping money in the bank, not using your money to buy liabilities. So liabilities will not make you any money. Instead, our liabilities will let you lose your money. You lose your money when you are accumulating liabilities, but you make more money when you are acquiring assets, because asset is something that brings in more money into your pocket, while liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. So why would anybody want to invest in liabilities instead of investing in asset? Because it is asset that will help you generate passive income. It is asset that will give you financial independence. It is acquiring assets that will help you to make more money. That will help you to make more money. So don't invest your money in liabilities. Don't waste money. Be prudent. Yes. In fact, you can be cash broke and asset rich. You can be cash broke and asset rich. Keep all your money in assets like real estate, like land, properties, investments, apartments. So keep your money, because the money you keep in those assets will continue to appreciate in value. It will continue to appreciate in value, because any money you put in the bank, or any money you keep, any cash you keep at home, you will end up losing the money. You will end up spending the money unnecessarily, or you can even end up, you can get your money eroded by inflation, by different economic situations. You know what is going on out there. So everything you want to do, make sure you do it with, you need to apply your wisdom, you need to apply your sense, and ensure you keep your money where it will achieve more money for you. Let your money give birth to more money. Let your money produce more money for you. Because when you what makes you, yes baby, what makes you become wealthy in life is when you have the ability, to accumulate wealth, when you have the ability to make passive income. Passive income is the type of income that you make. Passive income is the type of money that you make even when you are sleeping. You are making money, because you can't be working throughout your life, but there are some assets you can acquire right now that will help you generate passive income. Because the Warren Buffett said that if you don't know how to make money while you are sleeping, you will work till you die. So and nobody want to work till he or she dies. So but the best way that will help you generate passive income is to invest in real estate, is to invest in properties. Is to, property is something that will keep appreciating. So properties, investment in properties, investing in land. So there's also what we call land banking. You keep your money in acquiring lands, you invest in real estate. So those are some of the things that will help you generate passive income. In fact, I will quickly share a story with you. Maybe, okay, don't worry, I will share the story in the second video. So if you don't know how to invest your hard-earned money, you work so much to get this money. So definitely, if you work so much to get your money, you should do everything possible to make sure you invest that money in such a way that money will give birth to more money. Don't spend your money. Invest it. When you invest it, your money will now generate what we call passive income. Passive income is the income you make even when you are not working. So the smart way to become wealthy, to accumulate wealth, to be successful, to be financially free, is when you know how to invest. It is easier to make money. You can work and make money. When you make money, you keep your money. Yes, you keep certain percentage of your money. You keep it, which It is popularly known as saving money. But when I'm not advising you to go and save your money in the bank, because the bank will collect your money, give it to the investor that will borrow the money at a huge interest rate and go and invest it in real estate, in properties, while they make more money. And you, the savers, don't make a lot of money because they just give you stipend. They give you peanuts. So that is why you need to do everything possible to make sure you apply wisdom, to make sure that you learn how to invest your money. So I will see you in the next video. So if you have never subscribed for this for my channel, try to subscribe, click the bell notification, so that when next I create a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you.